Ever feel like life has you running in circles, constantly hustling but never quite reaching satisfaction? It's not just from a 9-to-5 job, but from any situation that leaves you feeling trapped. That's the rat race. In the context of personal finance, the rat race usually means working long hours at a job you might not even like, just to pay the bills and try to match what others have. This can lead to living from paycheck to paycheck, building up debt, and always feeling like you need more money to be happy. This video is about 6 powerful ways to escape the rat race by using smart personal finance strategies. So, let's start with the first one. Number 1. Investing in the stock market. This means buying shares of companies, which can help you grow your money over time. It's important because the stock market can offer better returns than just saving money in a bank. To succeed in investing, it's good to start early so your money has more time to grow. Being consistent is also key, which means regularly adding more money to your investments. Using your profits to buy more shares can help grow your wealth even more. This is because of compound interest, which means you earn interest not only on the money you originally invested, but also on the returns you've already made. This can really boost your money over time. However, investing in stocks has risks, like market ups and downs, and the chance of losing money. Despite these challenges, investing in the stock market can be suitable for these types of people. Those who can consistently invest money. People who don't see quick returns. People who accept some risk for higher rewards. Those who can wait for their investments to mature over many years. Investing in the stock market can be rewarding, but it requires careful planning. Here are some practical tips for beginners. Understand stock market basics, investment terms, and stock types before investing. Set clear financial goals, investment horizon, and risk tolerance to shape your strategy. Start small with money you can afford to lose to minimize risk and learn without stress. Number 2. Real estate investments. Investing in real estate can help you escape the rat race of working by providing a path to financial freedom. Renting out properties brings in regular income, so you don't have to rely only on a regular job, and property values usually increase, building your wealth over time. With enough rental income, you can cover your living expenses and choose to work if you want, not because you have to. In short, real estate investments can provide a reliable income, grow your wealth, and give you financial freedom, helping you escape the traditional work cycle. Real estate investments are suitable for people with various financial goals and budget sizes. Here are some examples. For those who are comfortable with risks and property market fluctuations. Hands-on individuals who enjoy managing properties and tenants. Individuals with initial capital or financing are well suited for real estate. For those just starting out in real estate investments, here are some practical tips for beginners. Look for areas with growth potential, good schools, and amenities. Check properties carefully for any issues that could hurt their value or investment. Understand all costs, such as taxes, maintenance, and unexpected expenses. Number 3. Multiple passive income. Building multiple streams of passive income can gradually free you from the rat race. Instead of depending solely on your job for income, you can accumulate earnings from various sources that require minimal active work. This not only makes your finances safer, but also helps you build wealth over time. As these income streams grow, they can cover your living costs, allowing you to follow your passions, spend time with family, or retire early. By having multiple sources of income, you reduce risks, gain more control over your time and money, create a safety net, lower stress, and improve overall happiness. People who are suitable for this way usually have a few key characteristics like these. Take initiative and are motivated to find new ways to make money. Are patient and willing to wait for long-term rewards. Think creatively and come up with unique ideas for earning income. To help you get started, here are some practical tips for beginners to build multiple streams of passive income. Begin with one passive income stream that suits your skills and interests. Leverage technology with online platforms to sell products or create content. Diversify income streams by exploring various passive income options to spread risk. Number 4. Entrepreneurship. Starting your own business is a powerful way to escape the rat race. When you're an entrepreneur, you have more control over how much money you make and how you work. Unlike a fixed income job, running your own business lets you earn based on your efforts and decisions, with the potential for significant rewards. However, there are challenges to consider. Running a business demands hard work and dedication, with risks like financial loss or failure, so it's crucial to consider both pros and cons before starting. For many, owning a business is a good idea if you, self-motivated and driven, are willing to take calculated risks, don't give up easily, are passionate about their business. To get you started, here are some simple tips for beginners starting a business. Write down your business idea, goals, target market, and finances. Research your market to understand potential customers and competitors. Build a strong brand by creating a memorable name, logo, and message. Number 5. Financial education. To escape the rat race, investing in your financial education is important. This means understanding how to handle your money smartly, invest it wisely, and avoid getting into unnecessary debt. When you know how to manage your money, you can make choices that help you become financially independent. It's not just about earning more money, but also about making your money work for you. By understanding and using financial principles, you can escape the rat race and build a secure, stress-free life where you work because you want to, not because you have to. To escape the rat race, you should focus on these key areas of financial education. Budgeting, to learn how to create and manage your income and expenses. Saving and investing to understand various options to grow money. Debt management to handle debt repayment and avoid financial traps. Financial planning to set short and long-term goals toward financial freedom. Learning about taxes helps you make informed decisions and save money. Now, let's explore some practical tips for investing in your financial education. Follow financial blogs that offer free, valuable financial advice. Join financial workshops that cover topics like budgeting, investing, and debt management. Use financial apps that can help manage finances and investments. Number 6. Living below your means. This means spending less than you earn. When you consistently spend less, you can save, invest, and gain financial freedom, helping you break free from the rat race. You can start by tracking your expenses and cutting unnecessary costs. Choose to live a simpler life, focusing on what truly matters rather than always wanting more. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but making smart financial choices. It's about understanding your needs versus wants and prioritizing long-term goals over short-term pleasures. This way, you can reduce stress, increase financial security, and create opportunities to follow your passions and possibly retire early. To achieve these goals, consider these practical tips for beginners to live below their means. Cooking at home can be much cheaper than eating out. Avoid accumulating debt by using cash or debit cards instead of credit cards. Save on utilities by unplugging unnecessary devices and using energy-saving appliances. In conclusion, you can break free from the rat race with smart strategies by making your money work for you, not just by earning more. So, let's take the first step toward a better financial future. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey to escaping the rat race and achieving your financial goals. See you in the next video.